Here's a guide to how deductibles work when it comes to dental insurance. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process on how deductibles work. Hey, my name is Mark Kirschlag, CEO of Cosmo Insurance Agency. Let's get into this topic. If you want to know more about how dental insurance works, check out my playlist below. Number 1, how does deductibles work when it comes to dental insurance? Usually, it's about $50 a deductible. Now, what's if I have a family? Probably 99% of dental plans, the deductible is going to be times 3. That means I go to the dentist, I got my deductible $50. My spouse goes to the dentist, got deductible $50. And then my oldest child goes to the dentist, $50 is $150. The rest of the family will usually be covered 100%. And that deductible is always going to be once a year. I got individual, like we just mentioned, $50 for myself. And then if I'm a couple, I got me and my spouse. And a family, I got the $150 max for the entire family. What is a deductible when it comes to dental insurance? So a deductible means you have to pay that X amount, let's say it's $50, the beginning when you start using your services before any of the coverage kicks in. One thing to look out for, check if your deductible will apply towards preventative care visits. This is really important because your annual exams that you go for is always going to be covered at 100%. I would say from my experience on like 99.9% of the plans out there, it's going to be covered 100%. But you want to check, hey, when I go to the dentist for my simple exam, x-rays, cleaning, will I have to pay $50 or not? That's really important to look at to see your dental insurance carrier when choosing a plan. What it usually goes towards is for basic care, which includes filling, root canals, extractions, and then major care, which includes crowns, bridges, and dentures. And then paying for your deductible before benefits apply, that's what it means. So paying for your deductible before basic care and major care. So when do deductibles for dental insurance apply? So now that I finally reached my deductible for dental insurance, let's give some examples of what the costs are for the services. So usually every dental insurance will be different. I could actually get 100% coverage for everything. We know that's usually not going to be the case when it comes to insurance carriers, right? The average is it's called a 180/50 plan, which means I'll have 100% coverage for cleanings and x-rays twice a year. Make sure when you go to the dentist, you make your appointment for 6 months later. We all hate going to the dentist, right? And that's what I love about dental insurance. It forces you to go to the dentist again. We got the basic care. Usually it's going to be 80% coverage. The insurance carrier will pay 80%, you pay 20%. What's included in basic? Fillings, root canals, extractions. The lastly is major care. What's included in major care? Crowns, bridges, and dentures. Some carriers will cover implants as well. So what services are not subject to deductible? Well, usually it's going to be preventative care visits are not going to be subject to deductible. But of course, double check with your carrier. And what's included in preventative care visits? Well, it's your exams, which is twice a year, and then cleanings. However, x-rays usually be once a year.